Oi, oi. Welcome back. It's Things on Wheels. And I've been at another car event. Classic Ford Show 2024. Let's get inside. My pal Clifton was at the front before we even got there. Nothing like a bit of self-promotion. Hit him up for all your recovery needs.
Yes. That's it, man. Get involved. You need it, move. That's it, man.
Shout me, best prices in town.
So here we go. Perfect weather for it. And I'm ready to see what people have been grafting away at over the cold months. This wasn't far from me, so I had to go and check it out. Yeah, I'm a German car nut, but from a young age, my dad had Fords, so the love will always be there. A few steps in, and I know today is gonna be a good day. Stylish. Now, who hasn't got a soft spot for a Mark 1 Escort? Something tells me they won't be thin on the ground here. Simple and clean. Retro, sunny vibes. These look as fresh as the day they came off the production line. The prep for this show must have been intense. Whee! Into a covered area, we get more to look at. I'm telling you, seeing all this makes me want to build something Larry. I'm sure it will happen. Who knows? I used to hate pastel shades like this, but now I'm proper into them. It's refreshing to see. Stripped RS 500. Ah, this is where dreams are made. Now this one, I rate highly. Mark III Escort Estate with a full RS kit. Tastefully done with banded steels. This Mark II Escort van was also a stunner. Paint looked like a solid until you got up close to see that metallic goodness. It looked like a labour of love. And this Capri looked factory fresh, down to every last clip. Nice one. RS 1600T. Dare I say it, more rare than the RS Turbo. Now I'd happily have every car I've seen here so far. Taking it all in. Inspiration for future projects? Maybe. Back out in better lighting. Greeted by the Sierra Cosworth. A Mark III Escort RS Turbo. And an Escort Estate. Loving the stripe. RS 500 Minter. Check out that whale tail. Don't think you'll see anything this radical again on the road, but I may be wrong. Lovely Escort, rolling deep. The Anglia stand didn't disappoint either. Check this one out. Lotus vibes. Serious bit of kit that. I want it. Progress pictures of the build. A lot of work. But there's the result. Smashed it. I can't get enough of these. There's no words. Anyway, Time to get our grub on. Look at that banger. Washed it down with some liquid refreshment.
Ford show settings.
Back in another sheltered part, you had the auto jumble. Loads of rare, new and second-hand parts, along with some man cave goodness. How cool are these? They got everything here. Some of these handy stalls to come in clutch for a build I've got going on at the moment. Well and duly noted. Check out this beaut. Lovely details. Vinyl roof. Umbrella on the back. Oh, you gotta keep them alive. Go. Pastel blue Mark II Escort. Delicious. Clean. This Turbo Technics Capri must be a handful, but I'm all for it. Very smart. All the mod cons inside for sure. Mark I Fiesta. Fun fact, this one was the actual car modelled in the Forza video game. Oh, shots fired at the Vauxhall crew. Don't take it to heart, it's just bants. Now you can see why I love these shows. Loads of like-minded people with passion all around. More shots on that one later. And this, Nardo Grey Granada. Hold on, that ain't no Ford engine. That's a 2JZ from a Toyota Supra. Mind blown. More shots later on. Getting Beatles vibes of this Capri. And another Turbo Technics one. Cost of the conversion, over half the car's value when new. Well worth it. So much space under these bonnets. UK's Mustang. This is one of my favourites. The yellow had me. Old school Bumblebee. Image split rims. And the badge is the giveaway. Check that out. They ain't playing. Before seeing this one, I was saying to my mate how cool it would be to drop a Vauxhall red top engine into a classic. And what do you know? Behold, he's done it. Looks right at home on carbs. Race ting. Check the lineup. And behind that, some wild Sierra pickup trucks. What's that one? This one's mad, running a supercharged Jaguar engine. Body kit equally as crazy. And the brakes, 1010. It's even got the Jag Dash too. These boys ain't playing. There's something for everyone here, all up to the early 2000s. We don't need none of that modern stuff. You see it every day. Three spoke wheels, they need to make a comeback surely. And this cabbie looking fresh. RS Turbo gang. you was a man if you had 6x9s on the back shelf. It's period correct. And this RS Turbo, keeping cool. No worries. Wait. Ooh. What'd I tell you about them speakers? First Orion of the day spotted. Smart. Next time you're at home bored and the sun is out, go and see what car shows are on. This one set the bar high. I can't wait to hit up some more. Bling bling. Wait. Honda engine in an Anglia on throttle bodies. Yeah, you win, mate. This one up for an award. You can see why. Check out the size of the turbo on this. Would love to hear how that sounds. More parts. Look at this. Wide boy. Bringing new technology and materials to update the old. Good job. Roll out. Are those what I think they are? Momo arrows. Who remembers these? Max power days. This one's smart as. Even got his burner phone on the dash. Someone do a buy. And my camera couldn't pick up how deep the paint was on this. It was immaculate. And another favourite. Perfection. Here, take a listen.
Yeah, boy.
I wouldn't change a thing. Well, maybe I'd have red hoses instead of the blue. We must stay focused. Lexus V8 in a Sierra. Yeah, that works for me. Fiesta from earlier, out in the sun. Soak it in. Haha, Royal Mail vibes. I'd work for them if that was my company car for sure. Hey, don't go just yet. This one's a bit different. I could eat my dinner off that. I wouldn't, but I could. The whale tail being used well there. The colour combo was the one. I like. I don't think I've ever seen one of these in red. More power to you, mate. And the Corsair Massive, lined up nice. Check how nice it was here. Oh, it's my favourite. And here's that Granada with the super engine. Here's a better look. Some of the award winners. Hope you enjoyed it. We out here. Even the drive back was sick. Enjoying that munch? Nom nom. Until the next one, bless her.